Hey everyone, Happy New Year. A bit different today. Instead of doing some history or geography related videos, well, it's kind of geography because it's from Korea, but because Squid Game Season 2 is out and I absolutely loved it, I'm going to teach you guys how to make some Ddakji. Now it's really easy. All you need is some scissors, and you're going to need, if you're going to make 2 of these, you're going to need 4 bits of card. You can do these either the same colour or you could do them in different colours that I have. But it's really easy to do. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, with your first bit of card, what you're going to want to do is pull this down to the corner to make a sort of triangle shape. Like that. Then, take scissors and make it a square. Just by cutting this bit off. So now you've got your square, then fold it to make a rectangle, and then what I do, open it like a book. On the side that you've opened it, fold it like that, and take that corner, the same as how you had already done, and make another triangle, then flip it, and with the opposite corner, take that and make a sort of lightning bolt shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. So you've got this lightning bolt shape. Once you've got this lightning bolt, take the corners and fold them back in on themselves to sort of make a square back into the same corner of the lightning bolt. And now you've got a square. And then you're just going to want to open these up. And then you're going to want to do this twice. So I'll do it. Do it with some black. Okay, so now you've got both bits. Just put one inside of the other to sort of make this square shape, and it doesn't matter which order you do it in, but I'll go closest towards you, and then as once you've done that, put the second one down and that, and then with this final one, tuck it in to the first one or underneath the first one, and there you go. You got yourself Ddakji. No glue required. Flat side, folded side. And now, give it to your friends, play it with your friends, or do it on your own. Challenge your mates to a bit of Squid Game, or try and act like this guy. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.
Wahey!